Hi there, I have this here Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 3 Chromebook. What I want to show you, I'm going to just show you that first. The details here on the bottom, if I can hold it right there. Okay, so that's all the information on this. Let's see if I can let it focus closer. There we go. That's what I wanted. 2022 model year on this one. Okay, so specs wise, there's the specs. So it has Celeron N4020 processor. This battery only has 50 cycle count, so it's doing pretty well. Only 4 gigabytes of memory RAM. So this is pretty basic one. Okay, so let's first go over this part here. So it is touchscreen. You can do everything touch-wise, like that. Now, look at this bezel, screen bezel area. It's huge. I mean, I hardly ever see a laptop like this anymore. To me, you just thought they could have put a bigger screen in here, but this is what they did, you know. So, let's see here. Color-wise, it's very nice. I like this color, actually. Keyboard is not backlit, but it's basic, you know. I don't know the exact name of the color, but I like it. It's like a blue color, like a navy dark blue. So it does flip around. That's why it's the Flex. So tablet mode enabled. Keyboard won't work when it's flipped around since you're going to touch everything. But yeah, it's basically a tablet then. I'm going to show you. So this is used. That's why I do these videos when they're used, because you get to see the actual wear and how this thing takes wear. So, of course, it's got some minor dents. Can barely see these, but there's a couple minor dents on it. Scratches, which are normal. There you can see some scratches. Edges look really good. Bottom, of course, scratches, which are common on these because it's plastic on the bottom, so it digs up. Plastic, top is like an aluminum. I think the whole bottom is plastic. Just the top is aluminum. The hinges are plastic. I mean, they're covered with plastic. That's all that is for cosmetics. So on the ports, we've got USB-C, charges it also, USB-A. I don't know if it's 3.2 or what. You've got the power button on the side, which they do on these type Flex laptops, so you can use it when it's flipped over in tablet mode. And then these are the volume switches, up and down. And then here, we've got a micro USB-C port, not USB-C, what am I saying? Micro SD card slot. Wow, I really messed up there. Okay, so then another USB-C port to charge it on this side. Now, this is another USB-A port and a headphone jack. So that's it. The only other thing I do not really care for on this one is how there's no area here to open it. Like, it's hard to grasp where you open this thing at. So, of course, too, with it being a Chromebook, it's lightweight. So you flip the whole thing like this. So it's not easy to open. There's no obvious spot to grab there. So that's another little downside. But overall, still a great computer. I like Lenovo's products. just maybe design-wise, I could have used some different options or had some different ideas on design. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. But thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you want more tech videos like this.